Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. Another day, another adventure. Welcome back po sa aking episode 2. This is just a quick update from my episode 1. So since nandito na po ako sa Philippines ulit, I'll be able to capture all those motorcycle content na gusto kong gawin. Medyo natagalan ng aking pag-upload ng episode 2 kasi since kababalik ko lang sa Pilipinas and I want to spend more time muna sa family, focus on them. So we went to Japan for 2 weeks and then came back here. So dahil kababalik lang natin dito sa Pilipinas and malapit na yung karera and I promised to my content na gusto ko i-capture yung mga pag-fix, pag-aayos namin ng motor. Today is also a perfect day kasi nandito ang aking mechanic na si Jervin, one of the best mechanic na friend natin dito sa Philippines. So ngayon, ginagawa nila yung aking Street Fighter, tsaka yung aking BMW. So let's go outside. Before I go outside, I want you to say hi to my son. His name is Rai Rai. You say hi, Rai Rai. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Okay, let's go outside real quick. Malakas, magagalit kapitbahay. So yan. Jervin, magay ka sa episode 2 ko. That's Jervin at kanyang mechanic. So, quick update lang sa aking Street Fighter. So, dami namin ginawa. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ang i-start namin. So, we changed the forks. Itong forks na to, B4R siya. Galing siya sa US. Nilagay ko lang siya sa luggage and then we install it to my base Street Fighter. Yung mga ibang parts, galing na siya ng Bellissimo. Basta nilagay ko na lang sila lahat all together. And then, pinagkakabit namin. So, yung quick update nila. So, ito yung bike na gagamitin ko sa endurance race. And ito naman yung gagamitin ko sa Pirelli Cup. This is my dedicated race bike. So, marami pa rin gagawin. Although, we did the test the other day. Okay naman. Pero sa pagbalik namin ng Thursday, doon ko magka-capture ng mga shots sa loob ng truck. So, itong aking maliit na bahay dito sa Philippines. Yun lang. So, let's go kung ano yung mga kanamit natin sa S1000. So, we did a sprockets, chain, yung rear set niya. We changed the suspension sa back and also on the front. We did the GB Racing, side sliders. We did the Jet Prime race buttons, yung adjusters, ano pa ba ito? Yung Solo 2, Jet Prime na kill switch, front all-in suspension, Alpha Racing throttle, tapos Brembo RCS 19. So, tsaka yung smog plate. At kagagaling lang din tong bike na to sa dyno tuning kay Mototan. Tama, Jervin, no? Mototan. So, kay Mototan, he did a very good job. I like how it came out. Grabe yung inangat niya after the tuning. So, we did also the AR exhaust. So, same thing din sa kabila. On this bike naman, we also upgrade the Brembo calipers and also itong Brembo T-Drive. At nilagyan din namin siya ng quick release para mas mabilis mag-change ng tires, front and back. So yun. So sa mga nagtatanong, there's something weird about this bike. We did a facelift on this bike. So 2018 siya. I think this is the first facelift S1000 dito sa Philippines na ginawa namin. At ang unang nakagawa nun is yung magaling kong mekaniko na si Jervin. So we have a frame of 2018. And then we put a 2022-2023 na front end. And then we customized the bracket to make it work. Ang galing, sakto lahat ng mga butas niya. Pati sa ilalim, naibin na gap. So, para siyang OEM stock talaga. Grabe, daming... There's a lot of measuring, pero nag-work. Yun ang bilib ko dito kay Jervin. Took him a while, I would say, parang 1 week na yata, sinipat-sipat to. Like, they really take their time just to make it work. And then also pala, ito, na-upgrade na namin to make it lighter. Ito yung sinasabi kong quick release sa likod and from the back. Sa BMW na to, naka-HP wheels na rin tayo to make the wheels lighter. So, super loaded ang bike, super light. So yun ang gagamitin natin next week sa final leg ng Pirelli Cup. At we're gonna join the heavyweight A category. And then this one, gagamitin ko, like I mentioned kanina, ito naman gagamitin natin sa endurance race ng Club 200. Quick update mga kanabet. So we have Marchesini wheels. We just changed that. I think binili ko to kay Lawrence Macalinaw ng MPH Motorsport. And then yung ibang parts na nakalagay na rito is galing naman sa Bellissimoto. Sa BMW ko, mas maraming galing sa shop ni Idol Marvin Mangulabdan. But so this one, meron na siyang Arrow exhaust, GB Racing din, Duca bike, carbon, itong tank extender, tank slider, tapos nag-upgrade kami. If you notice, yung handlebar ng Street Fighter medyo straight, if you notice, kasi naka-drag bar na siya. So I changed that for a reason, kasi pag ginamit sa endurance race, mas more siyang, I would say, sporty look, mas nakayuko. So kaysa yung OEM, medyo angat, so tatamaan ka ng hangin talaga. Sa Street Fighter talaga walang kawala, talagang tatamaan ka ng hangin. So the more na naka-sub ka dito, mas the more mo. Meron silang nilalagay na wind visor na ganito kalaki, kaso hindi ko talaga trip tingnan eh. This one would do. So yun yung shoutout ko, MPH Motorsport. Nasaan na ba yung sticker ng isa ko? Ito pa pala yung mga ibang parts na kinabit. So babalik namin. So quick update lang na spark plug, oil, air filters, brake pads, coolant flush, ano pa ba? Both bikes are going to be ready. So yun lang guys. So episode 2, welcome back. And again, sa Thursday we have a race practice, and I'm gonna do my episode 3 on that one, and I'm gonna show you how we do it inside the truck naman, so you guys have the idea of everything. Alright, so thank you so much for watching episode 2. See you on episode 3. Peace out.